Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Isman bin Asli, Namoga Matrix AP210476. Today I will discuss to bioprinting. Introduction. Bioprinting is an innovative technology that combines the field of the biology and the 3D printing to create living tissue and organs. It's a revolutionary approach in the field of the regenerative medicine, offering the potential to address the shortcut of the organs donor and provide personalized medical solutions. Traditional 3D printing involves the depositing layer of the material to create the three-dimensionally object. Bioprinting, on the other hand, as the specialized printing and the binds compositions of living cells grown to factor in the biomaterial. This is binds a careful layer to build complex structure, mimicking the structure and functions of the natural tissue and the organs. Nevertheless, Charles Earl is a pioneer in the field of the 3D printing, particularly now the inventing strict lithography, a technology that laid the foundation of the 3D printing. It is not directly associated with bioprinting, which are the different branch of the 3D printing that focus to create living tissue and organ. Advantage bioprinting have three. Firstly, tissue and organ regenerations. Bioprintings allow the fabrication of a complex three-dimensionally structure using
Island
living
3D
cells,
printing technologies, including bud
biomaterials,
photopolymerization, material
and
extrusion
bioactive
like FDM,
factor.
direct powder
This
extrusion,
technology holds
selective laser
the
sintering,
promise
and we
to
have
create
selected since we are able
functionally
to give
tissue
to the
and
patients the
organ
best
for
medicine suitable to these
transplantations,
patients according to
proving
their needs.
new
And this is the
options
important. This printing
for
is going to
painting with
play a
organs
major
failure
role in the
or tissue damage. Secondly, personalized medical bioprinting enables the production of painting-specific tissue and organs, which can
Island
greatly
3D printing
enhance
technologies, including
the
bud photopolymerization,
effectiveness
material extrusion like
of medical
FDM,
treatments.
direct powder
That
extrusion,
drug
selective
testing
laser
and
sintering,
development.
and we have selected since we are able to give to the patients the best medicine suitable to
Bioprinting challenge. Firstly, bio-in development. The viability of the bio-in with stable properties in the crucials of success bioprinting. Bio-in needs the be biocompatibles, provide structural supports, promote cell variable and growth, and allow for the associated cell differentiations. Developing bioinks that meet the criteria of the various cell types and tissue remains a challenge. Next challenge, structurally complex and the functionality. Next, tissue maturations and integrations. Next challenge, the scalability and the manufacturing. Next challenge, regulatory and safety considerations. The last challenge is ethnic and social implementations. Example of success bioprinting. Firstly, what a cartilage printing. In laboratory experiment, bioprinting contracts using stem cells and the appropriate biomaterials have the show ability to mimic complex structures and mechanical properties of natural bones and cartilage. Secondly, human organs printing trials. Thirdly, artificial skin for burn treatment. By printing layer of the living cells, such as craniocortex and fibroblasts onto biocompatible materials, researchers have the great biogenerate skin substitutes that closely resemble natural human skin. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my video. And by the way, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thank you guys. See you later guys.